Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chini Michael here on YouTube. So, today, guys, I'll be showing you how to add background image on your IG story. But before we dive into the video, if you're new to this channel, please do well to smash the subscribe button and also turn on the bell icon to get notifications whenever I post a new video. Also, guys, please thumbs up this video and share to your friends and family, okay? Thank you.
Thank you.